I would like to go back to Rambler Rose, actually. I know we did a One More Sip on roses. And Anne Wareham on Substack immediately piped up and said, Ramblers are not bad. And I said, I'm not saying they were. I'm just saying you got to have them in the right place, right? Right plant, right place. Ramblers are amazing growing up trees or growing over something that is sort of falling down and you don't care, but they're not terrific going up a house because they have these amazing long laterals that can be 20, 30 feet. And you have to constantly be pulling them back. And think sort of wisteria in a lot of ways. It's the same sort of thing. And this Paul's Himalayan Musk, for many, many years, I had it up there and it would glom onto one of my roofs, which is just an asphalt shingle roof. And then when the wind would blow, it would just go shh, 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 shh,
Oh.
shh, 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 shh. And I would have like 3 inches of quote sand in my gutters from the asphalt that was, the little
Oh,
thing that it was just sandpapering it off. That wasn't happening. There was the runners were going into the trim, trying to find their way, because if they'd find any hole, like if it wasn't caulked, they found it. And so it was an enormous amount of effort for 2 weeks of intoxicating scent and bloom.
yeah.
And I finally took it down and put in a very well-behaved white dawn climber, which doesn't have those laterals. So Rambler Rose, great for trees, and swears to me that there are those that are much smaller.
Mhm.
I have not experienced them, so I cannot say. So answers on a postcard, send us your comments of ones that you can get in the States. But I wouldn't put it up against the house ever again.